Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another wig review. This one is not sponsored or not collaborated with anybody. I personally went out to my local beauty supply store and I purchased this wig. I think I want to do like some beauty supply store like treasures that you can find here on my channel, but you guys let me know what you think about that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this wig and things like that. So if you are into wig reviews, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss an upload when I upload. So without further ado, if you want to see how I install this unit, then go ahead and keep watching. So first, I want to show you guys the stock card. It is the Sensational Empress lace parting wig, hand-tied deep lace parting, 100% premium fiber, and it looks like this. And it comes in 8 colors listed here on the back. I have mine in the style Aurora and the color 1B. I did want the 99J, but it was the only one that was left that was on the mannequin, and I said, no, we'll just take the 1B for $25 because that's how much this wig costs, and you definitely would save a lot of coin by going to your local beauty supply store and making it work. So we're gonna try this out because this is not a lace front wig. It is simply a hand-tied deep lace parting wig, but I have my braiding pattern and my wig cap on. I have straight back still in my head. This particular wig is safe to use with heat from 350 to 400. Curl it just like human hair is what it says on here, but it's pretty curled. So enough of me rambling on about the daggone wig. Let me cut this out of the pack and show you what the wig looks like. Now the wig is your typical constructed wig. Look at these gorgeous curls. Look at the, oh my goodness, this hair is so soft it feels like human hair. The wig does have 2 combs in the front, like I said, constructed like your typical wig, and a comb in the back with 2 adjustable straps I've already adjusted, and not much parting space, but I may pluck a little bit of it. We'll see. Now, when I tried this wig on in our beauty supply store, I can certainly say that this is big hair friendly. Definitely, like it is like fitting me like a glove. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with without adding any got-to-be glue, without, actually securing it all the way down because I'm not going nowhere. Just wanted to show you guys this gorgeous wig. Gorgeous. This hair is so soft. I'm not getting too much tangling, but a little bit of tangling on just the very end. But I think it's because I have the jewels on my hand. But if I do it without those 2 fingers, it's pretty much going through. Long hair is tended to get a little tangled anyway, but I haven't, not too much shedding. So with all the finger combing and combing it through with my brush, as you saw, this is all the hair that I'm getting so far. Quick and on the go, so definitely check out your local beauty supply store and see if they have this Aurora Sensational Empress lace parting Aurora style wig. I like this wig. I will say this is probably going to be my new favorite long one until it gets tangled. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys think about the wig. If you tried this wig, if you ever heard of this wig, let me know down below. Give me your points and your suggestions on how I can actually make this look more realistic once I pluck it and all that. Give me some ideas, you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.